Hello, kiddos. All right, so you are going to roll a masterpiece today by designing a pumpkin. So this roll a masterpiece to design a pumpkin paper tells you what you should do. You need your pumpkin. You have your dice and you have your reference sheet as to what you are doing. It says roll one, pattern one. You're going to take your dice. Of course, mine is super big. You have a smaller one that came in your supply bag the very first time. For each roll, you'll roll it once. Don't cheat. I know. If it's not something you don't like, it's all right. Make it your own. I'm going to roll, and it comes to be a 6. That means that I am going to look at my reference sheet, roll 1, going down to 6, it's going to look like this. Now, on the slides, the next slide is a helper, tips, tricks to how you can do this design. So you could just look at it yourself and complete it based on what you see there, which is what I'm going to do, or you can do one of the tips and tricks that's shown on the next slide of your work. I'm going to go ahead and fill in then. It's roll 1, roll 2, roll 3, roll 4, roll 5. So roll 1, I'm going to put in this pattern. Okay, so roll 1 and my pattern is done. You can tell it's not exactly perfect. Like, it's all right. The point is just to have fun. So now we go to roll 2. I roll the dice. 2. Roll 2, pattern 2, my second area of my pumpkin. 1, 2. So this is going to be my pattern all the way. Okay, you will notice I did not need to get a ruler out because it's absolutely fine. That's what makes it a masterpiece. So you can see my lines aren't even perfect. So now we go to our third section, which makes it roll 3, pattern 3. 2 again. We go to, my dice says 2, over to roll 3. This is my pattern. Whew, there we go. That one took a little bit. Now our fourth, 1, 2, 3, fourth column, roll 4, pattern 4, roll 6. Dang, all I'm getting is 2 and 6s. Here we go. 6. So pattern 4, I rolled a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have these loops. Sort of like doing a bunch of cursive L's all over the place. Last one. Let's hope it's something other than a 2 or a 6. Oh, what is it? Woo! A 1. Look, it's like the easiest one that I got last. So you take your colored pencils and you're going to color it in however you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and color this, and I'll see you in a minute to show you the next step. Now, the next step is you're going to cut out your pumpkin and you're going to be placing it on your colored paper that you received. All right, there you go. And just remember, as always, when you have trash, you need to pick it up. You know I'm a huge believer in that. Now, taking your glue stick, you received it in your supply pack before. You're going to glue the back side of your pumpkin masterpiece. Place it as best as you can in the middle. Gives it a nice background so it really sticks out. And last but not least, it is your masterpiece. You can either give it a name if you'd like, because on most paintings, if you go to a museum, they will have a name for your masterpiece. It is yours. Take ownership of it. So what I'm going to do is sign the bottom. And if you know cursive, that's even better to sign your name. I'm even going to put the year that we've done it. Now, if you choose to, you can bring it back to school and share it with us, but you will be asked to take a picture on the slide and show us your masterpiece. I hope you had an amazing time. I always love using my artistic abilities and having some help with designs. I will see you all soon.